Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying physical and basic settings so the setup succeeds. Make sure the modem and router are powered and your Ethernet cable or wireless adapter is connected. Once done, open Control Panel and go to Network and Sharing Center. You select Set up a new connection, then choose Connect to the Internet. Make sure to pick Broadband, PPPoE, as the connection type. This starts the guided form where you'll enter your ISP credentials and connection name. Now you provide the concrete credentials and settings the ISP supplied. You type the username and password exactly, paying attention to case. Choose Save Password only on your private computer so automatic reconnect works. Next, give the connection a descriptive name so you can identify it later, then click Connect to initiate the PPPoE session. If your ISP issued a static IP or specific DNS servers, open the Connections properties and configure Internet Protocol version 4 accordingly. Otherwise, complete the setup by confirming the connection shows connected and that sent and received bytes are increasing. This proves traffic flows. Make sure to set the network location to home or work if you trust the network and create a desktop shortcut for quick reconnects. If pages still don't load, run Windows Network Diagnostics to get automated fixes, then restart your modem and router in sequence. Also check your network adapter driver in Device Manager. Update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.